Hello, your traders. How are you? I hope so. Everybody is fine. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's me, Sulaiman Khan. Today, we are going to analyze the gold chart in very detailed. So, in this way, I hope so. Everyone, I try my best to give you the trades on every perspective, like for the long-term traders and for the scalpers as well. So before going to start the analysis of the gold, first of all, we will try to check it out that what are the important events this week we have. So for that thing, we will try to go for the Forex Factory, forexfactory.com. If you will look at here from 5 March till 11th of March, so today as a Monday, so we don't have any important data of the USD. If you used to trade chef trade, so there was an important data. There was a CPA of chef. On Tuesday, we have the important data regarding the Fed Chair Powell testifies. So this would impact the market tomorrow for USD pairs. And on Wednesday, we have the very important data regarding ADP non-farm employments. And again, Fed Chair Powell testifies and George's job opening. So basically, Wednesday would be the too much effective day for the gold market and the USD pairs. On Thursday, again we don't have that much important data, but there are some speaks there was a, you guys can see it, government council member Roger speaks, and after that FMC member Bar speaks, so that could also affect the market slightly. So Thursday would be the important, but not as compared to the Wednesday. So Friday would be the very much important, just because of we have the non-farm payrolls NFP, so that would affect the market too much. So if you are going to trade the NFP, so this week I will suggest you just have to first of all properly analyze the market, and you just must have to follow the money management and the risk reward ratio. So now let's talk about the analysis of the gold chart. So right now guys, I have the weekly time frame chart. So first of all, just whenever you want to analyze the chart of the gold, you have to check it out the trend of the market, that what is the trend of the market, where market is going. So if you are the long-term traders and if you're a swing traders, so you guys can see here that recently market was from here, market was creating the lower lows and the lower highs, lower lows and the lower highs and the lower lows. Then here it means that market was in the basically it was in the downtrend, and after the market tries to create the W pattern, and from here market can see here, then higher high, then higher low, then again the higher high, then again the higher low. And from here you guys can see here, this was the area basically that is called a CHOCH, CHOCH, change of character. From here market has changed its character from the bearish to the bullish side. Then again here market just goes upside, and right now it seems like that market has given us the retest, and then after a retest we got a very clear bounce towards the upside. So right now we have to check it out, this bounce, that either it's a fake one or either it's a real one, or maybe we can see again the movement towards the upside, or it would be same like that as again market will tries to give us the movement toward the downside. So both areas are possible. Why? Because first of all, if you look at the weekly time frame chart, this is a CHOCH, change of character, and it is not clear every time that market will tries to give you the accurate the values, like the market is 100% sure that market will straightly move here from here to upside. Market can give us a fake move from like this may be the fake move last week, so market can again comes downside, and again we can look for the downward target towards 1600 areas. But we will right now we will check it out that either it's a fake one or either it's a real one. So right now for our the confusions, what we will do, first of all we will try to mark this area. So in the future whenever we will try to mark it as a rectangular. So whenever market will comes to this type of area, we should have to know that this could be the important area for the gold market, and if market will comes to this area, I should have to be very much be careful regarding the trades, because this was the change of the character. From here basically market has changed its character. So this is for right now weekly time frame chart analysis. So this so if you want to look at the trades for the long term, so I will suggest you should have to watch this area. And now second thing, on the weekly time frame chart, so basically if you look at here from the high to low, if you draw the impulse, you guys can see here market has tried to create the impulse. So if you will see here that market is either it's a fake one or either it's a real one, we will try to draw some Fibonacci retracement levels. So you guys can see here that this might be the next important area for the gold for the weekly long-term investors. If market will gives us the closing above 1865 area, that might be the we can look for the long-term buy trades. And if market will gives us the closing above 1900, then that would be the surety that market is gonna move further upside. So this is for the first side. And on the other side, if market will tries to break this area, I can look for the next target that would be 2070 or 2050. So this might be the next targets. So we will first of all mark these areas as 61 retracement level for weekly. So this might help us while whenever you are doing analysis of the chart. So this will help you guys while doing the analysis, and whenever market will comes to this area, it will help out you to check it out. Now I will mark this area 38.2 for weekly. So now again now that's the weekly time frame analysis. So if same thing way you can also do from the downer side as well. So if you want to do, yeah, from here, so again we can see here that this might be the next target for our gold if market will tries to fall downside 1712. From here we can see the further retracement downside. I can also mark this area and I will delete the rest of the chart. So right now we have got these three areas for the gold for the weekly time frame chart, that if market will comes to this area, that might be the important areas for the gold chart for the weekly time frame chart for the weekly time frame analysis. If you're the long term analysis, if you want to do the long term analysis, so you should have to keep your eye on this type of areas, and you should have to look at whenever market is trying to move for upside or downside. So this is for a weekly time frame. I hope so that you like this analysis for a weekly time frame chart. So right now let's move towards the daily time frame analysis, which everyone is waiting for, that what is going on in this week and what are the possibilities right now we have for the gold chart. So if you look at the gold chart on a daily time frame here, so you guys can see here that there was some movements. Basically market was in between that zones areas. From here market starts its uptrend properly, then from here again market has changed its trend from this area, that is 1860. From the upper down from uptrend to the downtrend, market starts giving us the higher highs and the lower lows and lower highs. So you guys can see lower low, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, and again market is still though going on. So from here we guys can see a market has break this area, then after market is still though going upside. But right now we are facing here on a daily time frame chart, still though market candle is still though red. So if it will be still red, we can see here 1839, again market will comes to this area, then again market will starts moving upside. So let's see this type of thing on the parallel trend lines. If you will draw the trend lines, this is the exact area where we can draw the trend lines very clearly. So let's draw the trend lines. So if you the more thing is that I think so we should have to draw the parallel channel, so that will help out us a lot. So if you will draw the I should have to delete this one. I should have to again draw the parallel channel, so that will help us to understand that right now where market is trying to go. So this is the exact area. Yeah, now here you guys can see guys, everyone, that market was basically running in between this channel previously. So right now still though market just comes to this 50% retracement area, then after market starts moving upside, again market comes to this supportive area, again market was in between that area, market was struggling, market was basically sideways, then again here from here market starts moving upside, from here market falls downside, again from this area market did not stops at this area 1870, it should have to be stopped this area. So right now market just take a bounce of first of all our charge level, change of character level, secondly our this important zone area, as I mentioned you that 1805 would be the important zone area to decide the long-term trades for the gold, and third thing was our parallel channel. So right now we have that nearly 38.2 retracement level, nearly 1863. or 1860, we can look for the smaller sell trades, but not fully sure. So if we can, I hope so that from here market, maybe it will, if market will break this area 1860s area, we can see further upside till this area 1915. If 1915 will be broken, then we can look for the long term trade till the 1980s. So this is, guys, for a daily time frame chart. I hope so that you like this video. Kindly everyone must subscribe the channel, and it will really appreciate us, and it will gives us the more appreciation to make the more and more content for you guys. I hope so you like it. Stay blessed, keep remembering your prayers. Take care.